What's up, tubers? It's your boy Will. We're back at the game with a new vlog. So as you guys may know, my driver's side, like my car, the driver's side rim, I would say, has the clunking sound has gone like even. It's just super loud now. It sounds like a freaking goddamn helicopter. But really not sure what's going on with it. But I'm gonna take you guys out there and I'm gonna show you guys kind of like what the sound is actually like, because I think I came up with one or two things that could be, and I'm gonna let you guys kind of just hear it. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. If you guys are, go down and smash that like button, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. For the new subscribers or for the new people that came across this channel, welcome to the DZ fam. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Let's get it. Let's get it! So we're gonna go down and I'm gonna show you guys what the sound is like in person. Kind of give you guys like a review. So we're gonna teleport in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we're here now. I haven't driven this car for like a week now, because I didn't really want to kind of, you know, like break it even more, or like if there was actually a problem with it, I didn't really want it to, like, you know, just like make it even worse than it really is. So yeah, let's start up and let's get this going. Okay, it still turns on, so that's a good thing. Still turns on, that's a good thing. Alright, so I'm gonna roll the windows down just so you can kind of like see it a little bit better, and or not see it, hear it a little bit better. So let's do this. Okay, so now the car's all warmed up, so let's do it. Let's do this. Okay, so if I don't hear anything, which is good, let's give it a little creep. Doesn't help too to have exhaust, so it's kind of, you know, a little bit loud. But yeah, let's find somewhere that has no bumps here. Hold on. Ugh. So not sure if this is a good thing, but you guys hear that? It's like a little thumping sound. It's like a thumping sound. And then how my the floors here, they would make like a little vibrating heartbeat sound kind of thing. This is only going like 10. I'm only going 10 right now. Let's pick up the speed a little bit here. You see how my wheels shake? Like it's like wobbling back and forth, which I don't think it's seems right. But you can hear like the sound kind of. Now when you slow down, you can hear it more. This is a bad case of a wheel bearing. I'm pretty sure. You do not want your car to sound like this. Look at this. Look how my steering wheel is shaking. It's freaking crazy. Alright, so we're gonna floor it a little bit, and we'll see how this goes. Yeah, see, look at my wheel. You guys hear that? That is not right. See my wheel? That is not right. And that's going like 20. You guys hear that? And just like legit sounds like a helicopter, just like a chopper, like doot 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 kind of thing. And it's just like And you just hear that faint clicking. Oh, okay, just scraped. Oh my god. Low life problems, low life problems. Definitely a loose wheel bearing. This is definitely not what you want your car to sound like. And if you do hear the sound, go see a technician right away or get that fixed right away, because definitely this is not the sound. The sound's not right. Now it's getting louder. Not the sound you want. Look at the steering wheel. It's a nice M. It's a nice M2. But yeah, like, it really just feels like the wheel is about to fall off, which is like no bueno. So yeah, just thought I wanted to share with you guys about this problem, or about my problem that I'm having. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what it is, or can confirm if it's a wheel bearing issue or it could be something else. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys like? What did you guys like think about that sound and that creak and that thumping sound? Or you can confirm it if it's actually a bad wheel bearing or anything else that you guys know that experienced before. Yeah, this car is still kind of fairly, like, it's still good. It only hit 100K not too long ago, and yeah, it's just weird. But yeah, if you guys have similar issues or experiences, let me know in the comments down below. I like to hear from you guys. But yeah, it's been your boy Will Deezy. See you guys on the next vlog. Peace out, fam.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me.